Hey guys, Glimmery Online. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Today's episode is fastest best way to make money. Like $1,000 a day, $1,000 a week, $1,000 a month, whatever you're looking for. But I'm going to show you the fastest way to do it. I've tried a bazillion things online, and I keep sort of rotating back to the things that I tried at the beginning, but I didn't stick to them, and I kind of kicked myself because I wish I'd done that, and I realized I would have been so much further ahead. So I'm hopefully going to help you not make the mistakes that I made. So if you like videos on making money online, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and the little notification bell, and you will get notified when I make a video. So what is it that people that are making money online, what are they doing that you're not doing, or what is the difference, right? There's two big things that I've realized. Is a lot of people, don't always do what people say they're doing. Do what they're actually doing. That's the main thing. If you want the fastest, best way to make money, kind of tune out what they're saying to do, but actually do what they're doing, right? So if someone is saying, go to this place and get a link and go throw it all over social media and you'll make thousands of dollars. You might know who I'm talking about. His videos are awesome. I love them. But is it really the way to do it? Is that what he's doing? No, he's not doing that. So, but he's telling you to do that. What is he doing? He's creating content that is showing people how to do something, right? So think about that. He's creating content that is showing someone how to do something, so he's attracting people to him that want to learn how to do something. And then, by the way, he says, click the link below or whatever it is, and you can learn more, or you can go promote his product, kind of thing. So you're doing not what he's doing, you're doing what he's telling you to do. And so this is the thing, and hopefully this is going to be an aha moment for you. So when you're out there watching YouTube videos, watch what the people are doing, not necessarily what they're telling you to do, okay? Because this is the secret to making money fast. You want to find someone that's making money. You want to see what they're doing, or find like 5 people and see which programs they are. Guys, you're going to have to spend a little money to experiment, to see what's going on, but don't get sucked in by the huge hypey stuff. Go find the programs that the leaders are doing. And that's what took me so long, guys. I bounced from this and all these things, and I realized, like, when I found kind of a guru to follow, what I was actually doing was doing the work that he wanted me to do to benefit his product. Would I make some commissions? Yes. But really what I was doing is making him a lot more money. And that's for most cases you will be doing that. But you also want to find the programs that all the big guys are promoting, because they pay really well. They have stickiness to them. So when people join, they're actually such a great program that people stick with them, right? So what kind of programs are those? Number one, I always talk about this, training programs, guys. A subscription-based training program wins always. It always wins. That's what because people have FOMO, well, fear of missing out, right? So when someone joins a membership club, so maybe it's $30 a month or whatever it is, it's really hard for them to turn it off, because they're going to fear that they're going to miss something, right? Especially if they're in this market. And that's what's so important. That's why the programs that I choose to promote are all like that. They have this stickiness, and they also have, there's a couple of things, right? I get to build my list in them. I'm not building someone else's list. I'm building my list. So if I decide to leave that program for whatever reason, or that program like fades away, my list comes with me. It's my list. So all those people that bought in that program, they're mine to sell into something else, right? And this is the most important. That's your biggest asset. I get to use my landing page, my blog information, right? So basically, I get to control the buyers, and once I've added them to my email list, and once I've basically introduced myself to them, that's when they're introduced to the program. And that's why I love the programs that I do. And today I'm just going to talk about one. The link below. You need to go do this, guys. I think there's a crazy deal. There's a challenge that's going to change your life. I guarantee it will change your life. You need to go do it. You can get it for like $7 right now, or last time I heard they had like a $3.50 sale on it. You need to go do that. You need to learn the process. You get me, you get a coach with that. You get all this to go through this challenge, and you will actually really learn about marketing, and you won't be going and doing what people tell you to do. You're going to be doing what the people that are making money are actually doing. And once you get through that, you have an opportunity, if you choose, you don't have to become an affiliate. If you do choose to become an affiliate, this is where it gets super, super fun. So what do you need to do when you become an affiliate? Well, you're going to set up your system, right? And this is so important. Don't get bogged down on like, oh, I don't have money here, I don't have money there. Well, if you don't have money right now, you shouldn't be getting into a business, right? Go earn some money on whatever, Amazon or ClickBank or something like that. If you want to make big money, you're going to have to invest in yourself a little bit. So you're going to have an opportunity to become an affiliate. And this program pays amazing commissions. They have big ticket items. They pay all this stuff. But what I love about it is the community, and it's constantly learning. They're constantly putting out new products that you can promote to your list. So let's say you get someone onto your list, and they don't choose to join this company, right? But they're on your list. But you send them an offer to buy an ebook. They buy a book, right? They go through that funnel. They spend, I don't know, the last one I just looked at, a couple $100 on purchasing a training, right? They never joined your program, but they're on your email list, and you're able to offer these other products to them, and you're not losing them as a buyer. You're the one that gets to send them a buyer. So become an affiliate. I'd highly recommend it. So go do the challenge, become an affiliate, go test drive, try it for 3 months, try it for 6 months, but really do as the people that are making money are doing, and do it for a while. Now, you're going to say, well, how do I get people into it? Well, it depends on your budget. If you're just starting out and you have a limited budget, you're going to have to do some work. You're going to have to be getting on YouTube, doing YouTubes. Remember, what are the pros doing? What are the people that are making money doing? What am I doing? I'm creating content showing you how to do something. That's how I'm attracting you to me. And once you get on my channel, on this video or whatever it is, you saw my one of my videos, and I'm going to say, hey, check out the link below, right? That's what we're all doing. We're creating content, and we're giving you some of our knowledge in exchange for you to perhaps check out the thing. Or maybe you go, no, Glenn, I'm not interested. Boom, you're off, right? Maybe the next video I make, you're going to be like, oh yeah, I like that, Glenn, thanks. Or maybe you're going to take this information and go, oh, I'm going to go apply that to the program that I'm in. Great. Whatever it is, I'm providing just educational content so that I have an opportunity to be in front of you, to expose you to my opportunity. That's the secret. Okay. So that's if you have no money, do a YouTube. YouTube is totally free. You need a microphone. Maybe you need some lights, computer. You could do it on your phone, I guess. It'd be hard, but you're probably going to spend a little bit of money. Next, you're going to have to create a blog. And if you have no money, you need to be creating content there as well. If you can't make videos, or do both, right? Create a blog, create content. The other one is get on Twitter and start growing a following and provide content there, whatever it is. So tell them about the blog post you wrote. Tell them about the Twitter or the YouTube video you just made, or share other marketers' information. Remember though, when you share other marketers' information on there, you're going to be sending them to their link, right? So it's better to go, let's say you're a big fan of Neil Patel, right? Amazing marketer. He has so much good stuff. The guy gives out so much value, right? Just value. Go watch one of his videos, take some notes, learn what he's talking about, and then go make a video and say, hey, I just learned this from Neil Patel. This is what Neil Patel says. And just read your notes, guys. Read your notes. Say, and this is what I learned. I'm going to implement this, and this is what I learned. Or put it into a blog post. Hey, I just learned this from Neil Patel, right? Blah, 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 blah. And you write up a blog post. Now, when you start making a little bit of money, you're going to want to basically make everything quicker, right? And how do you make things quicker? Well, you start sending paid traffic to it. And paid traffic is really cool, guys. It's just like ordering a pizza, right? Like, okay, how do you make pizza? How many ways can you make pizza? Well, you can spend the time making the dough, going to the grocery store, getting all the ingredients, and then making the dough, cooking the dough, rising the dough, putting all the toppings on top, right, and do that whole thing and make pizza. You're gonna have pizza. Or you can go the low hanging fruit and go to the grocery store and buy a frozen pizza, right? And throw that in the oven for $5. Or you can maybe buy the not frozen pizza, the gourmet pizza at your grocery store. Maybe it's going to cost you $10. Or you pick up the phone and you order a couple Domino's or Pizza Hut or Pizza 222, whatever you got, and they're going to deliver those pizzas to you like that, right? So what did it cost you? Didn't cost you any time except for the phone call. So it cost you money. And that's what paid traffic is, right? So making videos and making blogs, guys, if you're in business, you're always going to have to do that stuff. But if you want to make those more effective and be able to use the power of them, is that you want to go spend money on promoting your YouTube videos, spend money on promoting your blog, find someone an influencer that can share your blog, guest blog or something, right? Or go set up your funnel and send traffic at it, and send a lot of traffic at it, guys. You need to be sending a ton of traffic at this stuff. It's so important, right? So what I'm going to leave you with today, do as the gurus are doing, not what they're telling you to do, because a lot of times what they're telling you to do is benefiting them, or it's just they're trying to teach you something so that they have an opportunity to show you their link, right? Instead, do what they're doing. Go look at the program they're promoting, right? Go scrutinize it. Find out about it. Find like, okay, well, let's see it. It's a recurring. It's got high ticket items. That's great. I'm going to join that program. That's what I'm going to promote. I'm going to sink my teeth into that. And for 6 months, that's it. That's all I'm going to promote. I'm going to be promoting it on Instagram, on Facebook, on YouTube, on my blog. When I get some money, I'm going to send paid traffic to it. I'm going to make it till it's making me money. Once you get there, now you've got more to blog about and more content to create, which you can attract even more people. And hopefully you've been building your list, and maybe your list is now at 1,000, 2,000, 3,000 people. Well, something comes along, you go, wow, that's a really interesting tool. Or another program, you go like, hey guys, I just found this really cool program. Check it out. I'm going into it, so you can check it out for yourself. Remember, I've been doing marketing for a while now, and the stuff that I promote, I do it for one reason. They make me money. It's not like, will it work? No, it works. It's just, will you work, right? This is the secret. It's will you work? I promote these things because they make money. And that's why I promote these things. They teach you how to do stuff. They're current. They're always being innovative. But the bottom line is they feed my bottom line. Then that's basically it. So guys, if you get value out of this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification, share. And what I'm learning more about YouTube is comment. Just keep commenting. This is how, if you're just starting out getting your YouTube channel going, keep commenting. You want to be active in the community, so people are going back and checking out your page, even if they don't subscribe, even if they're just hitting your page, that's adding more and more credibility to your YouTube channel, to your videos, right? And if your videos aren't ranking, guys, you need to be sharing them. Share them over and over. Share them into those spam groups on Facebook. Whatever it takes, just keep sharing them. If you have 13 views, get to 20 views, right? However it takes. If you have 20 views, get to 30 views, right? Go on Twitter, tweet it out with a bunch of different headlines like, hey, this thing changed my life. Hey, this is the best way I found to make money. Hey, and keep promoting those videos. Get those videos up to 20, 30, 40, whatever you can, and then make the next video, right? Then make the next video and keep doing it. You got to be promoting them. It will hit a breaking point. You will have success. You just have to keep at it. And that goes right back full circle to what I said in the beginning. When I first started, I was doing this stuff. It wasn't happening fast enough for me. So I chased the shiny all over the world. And I came back to yeah, I should have been doing this all along. So this is what you guys need to be doing right? I'm telling you what to do, but follow what I'm doing. Do what I do. And that's what I'm showing you. I'm showing you what I do. Okay. So check out the links below and definitely take the challenge. It is worth it's worth so much more than they're charging. You won't believe it. All right, guys. Have a great day. Bye.